Welcome to Corowa Whisky and Chocolate. Thank you very much for coming along. The venue that we have here has so much rich history that we're very proud to continue on today. So we bought this off the council in 2010 for $1. It had been abandoned for 40 years before that, and it had been operating as a flour mill for 60 years before that. So it is quite an old building. It's lucky to still be standing here now. I went to Scotland, learnt how to make whiskey because I liked drinking it. What better way to drink it than to then start making it commercially? And we, in 2016, turned our stills on and started making whiskey. Nowadays, we also do chocolate, so you can come and make your own chocolate freckle. You can come in for lunch. You can do just about anything, and then on the way out, try whiskey. And there's something for everyone here. It's not just one part of the family. We do something for everyone here. So the venue licensed is 550 people. We had our whiskey opening weekend 18 months ago, and we had 320 people at the opening. And it was a really big thrill to be at that. We had the acting Prime Minister of Australia here, along with other dignitaries around the world. But our venue here, we do 200 seated for a wedding. So we started making whiskey here in 2016. We had a goal of it one day, winning a world award. How that world award looks, we'll wait and see. Our whiskey is progressing along really well, and we are getting some great write-ups for such a young whiskey. In 2017, we were listed as one of the top 10 future distilleries of the world. We were the only Southern Hemisphere distillery, and there were a lot of Scottish and American distilleries in that list, which now are doing some really, really amazing things. So still to be a part of that prestigious list is absolutely amazing. You can definitely fill in not just a day, but a whole weekend here. So come in and see us, we'll fit you in and make sure you have the best time.